One of the things that comes up is confidence intervals. And you're going to see that NRC2 recommends that you use some form of a confidence interval. So what is a confidence interval? If you want a 95% confidence interval, you, in terms of a probability distribution, you're assuming a normal distribution now, right? With your mean. And here, you're going to have your two tails. Confidence interval, if it's 95%, depending on the distribution, this is normal, 95% of the time the data is going to fall between whatever number this is and whatever number this is. That's going to come off of what your mean is, and what your standard deviation is. In this case, variance. The confidence interval allows you a measure of uncertainty. Okay? What you can do is you can define how much probability you're willing to take in those two tails of that distribution at the end. If you want 95% confidence, that means 0.025 or 2.5% is going to be in each of those tails. And as you gain more confidence, like 99.9, less and less are going to be in those two tails, right?